we have learnt about weather and the factors that are responsible for the changing of weather, that is sun, the wind and clouds. We have learnt about that, isn't it? So let me today continue with the next topic, that is seasons. So children, what is season? The long period of time in which the weather remains almost the same is called season. Okay, the long period of time in which the weather remains almost the same is called the season. So there are different seasons. There are different seasons like summer, rainy or monsoon and winter. So children, so let us today learn about that. In summer season, how it feels? It is very hot, isn't it? Summer is the hottest season of the year. Summer is the hottest season of the year. And the morning is pleasant. The morning is pleasant. During the daytime, how the temperature will be? The temperature rises and we feel very hot and sweat a lot, isn't it? It makes us uncomfortable. We feel very uncomfortable and also it is very hot. Because of that, we sweat a lot. So children, what we do in this season? We love to wear loose cotton clothes. We prefer to wear cotton clothes and mostly remain indoors only, isn't it? And to beat the heat. So what we do to beat the heat? We drink lemon water or juices, etc. Also we eat ice cream in this season, especially we love to eat to beat the heat. What we do? We eat ice cream, cucumber, watermelon, etc. to keep our body cool, isn't it? And as a children, days are longer than nights. During the season, days are longer than nights in summer. Okay. So let us move on to the next season, that is rainy or monsoon. After the hot summer days, the rain brings relief to all. So what happens? After the very hot summer, the rain brings relief to all. A period of heavy rain in summer is called monsoon. A period of heavy rain in summer is called monsoon. During the monsoon, we do not step out of houses without umbrellas or raincoats. To avoid from drenching, what we do? We have to use raincoats or umbrellas. And children cannot play outside also because in this rainy season, isn't it? So that is the problem. That's so we feel very bored also sometimes. So it is very difficult to go outside also in this season. So if at all we want to go outside, we need to use umbrella or raincoats with them. And then children, in the monsoon season, we have to be very careful. You have to drink boiled water only. We need to boil the water and we need to drink. And also avoid eating cut fruits from the vendors. Okay, you should not eat any eatables from outside. Okay. And then what happens when it rains heavily? It causes floods also. When it rains heavily, it causes floods, which means excess water entering the land from nearby water bodies like river and seas. From river and seas, it may cause diseases. So this is the main season in which where diseases causes, and also children, a damage to life and property also happens when it rains very heavily. Okay. So the next season is winter. So the coldest season of the year is winter. The coldest season of the year is winter. So we prefer to sit out in sun and keep us warm, isn't it? We love to sit outside in sun and want to keep warm there. And also we wear woolen clothes to prevent from getting cold. We wear woolen clothes to prevent us from getting cold. And also we enjoy drinking hot milk, coffee, tea, etc. We cover ourselves with blankets and quilts when we sleep at night, isn't it? So we want to keep ourselves warm. So we use woolen clothes, blankets and then quilts also when we sleep at night. And days are shorter than nights here. In winter, days are shorter than nights. Okay children? And then at some places during winter it rains. So what happens? The temperature drops down very low. Okay. So what happens? At some places it rains during winters and the temperature drops down very low. People stay indoors and use heaters, and they use heaters to keep themselves warm. They also light bonfire to keep themselves warm. So bonfire means what? A large open air fire used for burning rubbish or as part of a celebration. Okay, that is called bonfire. So people use want to stay indoors and they use heaters in this season and then to keep themselves warm. Okay children, I hope you have understood. So let me wind up my class here. So in the next class, let us learn about, let us discuss the objectives, and also I will give activities because FA3 is going to start now. So I will just give the activities also in the next class. Okay children, so see you in the next class. Thank you.